Welcome to MoneyWatch channel. This is Kundu, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing on Clickbank. How you can make money on Clickbank. But before I start, I want to tell you something. If you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will come to know about any future videos which I release about making money online. And I release videos each and every day, so kindly subscribe to this channel to get a notification about this. So before I start, I want to take you to the Clickbank marketplace. This is clickbank.com, as you can see here, where you will be promoting some other people's product. And if you know of what affiliate marketing is, then you must be knowing that you will be promoting some other people product, and once you make a sale you will get a commission for that. For instance, say a product costs $100, then you will make 50% of that, then you will make $50 commission. So in order to make this work, you need to have a Clickbank account. So what you will do, just click on sign up button and you will make an account on Clickbank. So this is Clickbank. Select your country, okay, and your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, everything, and continue to this button. And I hope you can easily make an account. I have already an account, so I will simply log into the account, and I will show you how you can promote others people product. Just wait, let it load. So once you are in Clickbank, you will simply go to a link which is marketplace. Click on this, and this is marketplace. As you can see here, there are lots of category: arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, business and investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment, job fiction, and goes and on. So I will highly recommend to pick any one of these three category: health, wealth and relationship. We will for in this video we will be looking into health and fitness. Click on health and fitness. As now you can see here, all the products are just shot by gravity, okay. And if you don't know what gravity is, the gravity is the total number of affiliates making sale of a particular product. So in this case it is 314 gravity. So this product has 314 gravity, meaning 314 affiliates have made sale in past week, okay. So if you want to promote any product, then you must look that the gravity is more than 40. So this product has 301 gravity, so we will promote this product. Click on promote button. Once you click on promote button, you will be brought to this web page where your accounting name will be inserted here, and a tracking ID which you can insert anything like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, anything you want. Like this tracking ID is only optional, it's not mandatory, but uh, this is for only reference. This will you will come to know about from which source your sale is coming, okay. So we will generate hop links. So you can see here, this hop link has been generated. This is your hop link. You will promote this link, which is very long. And what we will do here is we will copy this link by clicking on this button. So you can see that your hop link has been copied. Now what we will do here, we will go to bitly website. You can see here, it will load up. So here you can make a free account. This is the URL shortener website. You will simply make an account here, okay. So we will simply create, just paste your copied URL and click on create. Once you have created this shortened URL, simply copy. And what we will do here, we will leverage the biggest search engine, which is YouTube, after Google. and we will make an account here. Okay, as you can see here, you can make an account, make an um, YouTube account. You will make a channel over here, and what you will do here, you will post videos related to a keto diet. Because you have picked a product related to keto diet, what you will do here is you will mm, make keto diet recipes, and after the video, what you will do here, you will say something like this: if you want to know a genuine keto diet plan, then click the link in the description below. And what you will do here, the link which you just created in bitly account, you will simply insert that link in your YouTube description area. And once anybody clicks on that and make a purchase, you will make a commission. This is how it works, but keep in mind that you need to make more than 100 videos to make this work. So keep uploading one video each and every day till 3 months, and after that you will be making some commissions from promoting Clickbank product. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you have any questions, kindly comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel so that you will be come to know about any future videos which I release. And I have provided two websites in the description area where you can make money by going to that website. Simply check the website. You can make up to $1,000 per week, and it's very legit, and it's newbie friendly. All the trainings will be provided, and it is completely free of cost. So if you want, then click the link below, and you will be presented with the website where you can sign up and make money online. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, then click the like button, hit the like button, and don't forget to share these videos to your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.